Have you ever opened the Bible, hoping for clarity, only to close it with more questions than answers? Maybe you felt a little overwhelmed, like you're searching for something, but the words just don't click. If that's you, trust me, you're not alone. I've been there sitting quietly, flipping through page after page, longing for meaning but instead feeling more lost. Life can get confusing. We all face moments of loneliness, tough decisions, or stress that weighs heavy on our hearts. In those moments, the Bible can seem like a distant mystery. But here's what I discovered: the Bible isn't just an ancient book. It's a guide, a comfort, a map for the soul, and if you approach it the right way, its wisdom starts to come alive. Let me share 5 simple steps that helped me unlock the Bible's message, and I believe they can help you too. Step 1: pray before reading. I always start by asking God to open my heart and guide my understanding. Even a short prayer can make all the difference. Step 2: start with the Gospels. If you're new, begin with the life of Jesus. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, they lay a foundation that's clear, relatable, and full of hope. Step 3: use a translation you understand. If the King James Version feels tough, try something like the NLT or NIV. The right words can make the message clearer. Step 4: ask questions and take notes. I like to jot down thoughts as I read. What is God saying here? How does this apply to my life today? Sometimes just writing it out makes things click. Step 5: read with consistency. It doesn't have to be hours, just 10 minutes a day. Over time, those moments add up and start to transform your heart. As you read, imagine a light guiding your path, just like this verse. Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path. That's Psalm 119, 105. Remember, understanding the Bible isn't about being a scholar. It's about being open, hungry, and consistent. Don't worry if you don't have all the answers right away. Just start. Find a quiet moment, pray, and read. Even if it's just a little each day. You might be surprised how the Bible begins to speak to your life, bringing peace and purpose with every page. So take that first step today, open your Bible and let your journey begin.